What is up, Dingles Crypto? So I have a really good video for you today. I'm going to be teaching you how to use DeFi protocols, and the first one I'm going to teach you about is Compound.finance, and this is one of my favorite DeFi protocols. It's one I use often, and it's proven it's one of the longest existing protocols on Ethereum blockchain. So I'm going to show you quickly how to use it and how to use it for your advantage safely. So first off, for all these, I'm going to recommend downloading MetaMask. It's a Google Chrome extension, and it comes right here. So you download it, install MetaMask, and then it'll come up, and you can make an Ethereum wallet, which therefore you can interact with these protocols, right? So let's get started. Once you have that installed, make sure you write down your seed phrases. It's like 12 words. Write it down, remember those. Basically, that allows you access to your Ethereum wallet anywhere in the world. So that's your entire net worth, possibly, if you decide to go digital finance route. So this is Compound.finance. So as you can see, that's my supply balance. That's my borrow balance. These are my collateral. 187 Ethereum, 3,000 Uniswap tokens, and this is how much I'm borrowing, which is approximately 33%. And so technically, I could take out $75,000 more in any stable coin or any of these tokens I want. But obviously, if your collateral goes down in value to a degree, it will liquidate your position, and that's not what you want. And recently, with Compound.finance Oracle issue, where US dollar coin went up to $1.25, that could, if you were more leveraged, you could easily see your position get liquidated, and you never want to see that. So make sure you always have it. I like having mine between 30 and maybe 40, but no higher than 40 ever. That's just super safe, super conservative. So I don't want to get liquidated, so that's what I do. But also, one thing I want to show is, I mean, it's not interest-free, but it's pretty close to interest-free loan, because as you can see, as well as earning interest on your tokens you supply, you also earn Compound token, which has monetary value. So each one has a different distribution APY, and see, like 2.66, 2.97, and if you go to the vote tab, you can see how much you're earning and collecting. And this is worth, they are each worth approximately $100 a token. So over time, it kind of pays for interest. So you can kind of leverage your position for zero interest, or just about. So that's another good way, another good reason to hold, to use Compound. You can leverage your position and without any interest payments. Next is just the distribution. 2,880 comp is distributed every day, 50% between supply and 50% in borrowing, and that's the tokens you'll see distributed every day. I like DeFi Saver. It complements Compound really well. You can upgrade to Smart Wallet, which allows you to do a lot of different things passively. It will passively find you the best interest rate on your savings, and other things like that. So that's pretty much my quick lesson on Compound Finance. I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe if you want to learn more about DeFi protocols. I've been in DeFi protocols for a year and a half, 2 years, and I love it. I don't like traditional finance, so I want to keep teaching you guys about digital finance and protocols in which you can use just with a digital wallet like Ethereum wallet. Thanks. Peace.